All right, guys, drum roll, please. We are finally starting the 2015 Jeep Wrangler project. I know it's been a while. It's actually been sitting around here for 2 or 3 months now. I haven't been able to touch it. The weather's been cold and warm, snowing, raining, hailing, and everything's been stopping me from working on this up until this point. But being that we're in lockdown and COVID-19's going down right now, I'm gonna start tearing apart this Jeep. So today, I'm gonna be walking around the Jeep, giving you guys a broader view of what's going on with this Jeep, what type of damage we have, and how we plan to fix it. Stay tuned. So, obviously it's seen better days. We've got a lot of things going on here. A lot of scuffs. This is a big one here. That's pretty deep. Airbags are deployed. So, going from front to back, we're looking at bumper. Potentially frame needs to be straightened. I don't know. I'm gonna guess so. Grill. We need the rad support that goes all the way. 2 headlights. I'd say 1, but I would get 2. This blinker here is a little off. It's scratched up. Gonna need a hood. Gonna need windshield, frame, and windshield. Going to need, under here, we propped some jacks under it because this is snapped. That's supposed to be together with that, as you can tell. This right here, sheared off from up there. And then yeah, interior. So yeah, these are some plastics. That's the engine cover. That's one of the fenders. We're gonna have to replace fender. Some fenders here, both sides fenders. The doors do look pretty relatively good on this side. Cross my fingers. But let's go inside here. So yeah, the windows were down for a bit. They did get a little bit of doo-doo on there, a little bit of dirt crack. So yeah. So, coming inside here, we've got driver airbag is blown, deployed. Same with the passenger airbag here as well. We've got a little bit broken glass here to clean up. This right here, being that this deployed, I'm gonna have to replace the dash piece, the airbag, this airbag, and after looking at some forums, an ACM, airbag control module as well. So, right now, I put jumper cables on this a few days back, even a few weeks back, to try to figure out if I can get this to run or not. And it doesn't run, it doesn't do nothing. It just clicks. It just clicks once and that's it. After doing some research and going on some forums, I found out that after the airbags are deployed and the seatbelts are locked up, I might have to get an ACM, airbag control module, to reset the system. So if I get the airbag control module and then get the new airbags, that's going to be a little pricey, around the $2,000 or $3,000 area. Get that done. And the only other problem that I found a few days ago is down here, there's a hole in the engine. Right there. We've got a hole. So I think that hole happened when he rolled it. It was rolled 3 times, but we're gonna have to find out. It might be from the inside, but I'm thinking it's from the outside. But yeah, what we're gonna be doing now is we're going to be taking this front axle off in pieces, clearly. So we've got some help here. Here we go.
It'd be nice if we could just unbolt it though.
It would be nice. But nothing is ever as easy as it seems.
Well, if we can leave the tires on, just roll it around.
That's the first thing I was going to take it off too. I'm like, all right, wheels off.
Well, if we could keep the wheels off for the most part, just drop the axle and pull it out from underneath of it.
I figured if we took the wheels off, it'd probably be a lot easier to like pull out whatever shaft is left.
I know, but it'd be nice just to keep it as one assembly and do one.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, this is just Sawzall.
Cut it there, cut it there, cut it there.
Well, let's qualify here. We can Sawzall anything on this differential. I don't
But
give
it's
a...
good enough. Come on.
Yeah. We can Sawzall anything on the differential. I just don't want to have to... Some chrome. boy, bring the camera over here. Look at this. So it snapped right there, as you can see.
Brutal.
Brutal. He doesn't even want to come off the rim. There's no nuts here.
What? No, it's because this is on the ground. Try pulling off now.
Mint. Kijiji, Grandma used. This? What happened there? I don't know.
That's weird.
Look at this. $200 or best offer. Alright, so this is the side that was really bad. Rim's off. This spring right here, they need to be replaced. As you can see, the bolts right there is a little off too. Then there's supposed to be that connecting to that. I don't know. And that was supposed to be welded there, but it's not. So I'm going to back off this one. I'm going to back off this one, and hopefully the axle comes off. Alright, so working on the Jeep, we have got both sides. This side right here is pretty well done, torn apart. I'm just having a bit of a hard time getting this thing off here. But other than that, the U-joints are taking, all the bolts taken off. We just got those two done, this one and the one on the other side, those are loosened off. So as soon as he gets that bar off, we should be able to get this axle off. So we got the axle taken out, all taken care of, and everything's good to go on the next project. I'm thinking the next thing we'll do is take fenders, rad cradle, grill, bumper off these fenders, clean up this mess, and figure out what else we're working with. And we're coming to the end of it. If you guys want to see some more videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're going to be posting the whole build up here. If you guys liked the video or you found it entertaining, please hit that like button. And hey, like I say, if you guys are working on any projects yourself, cars, bikes, anything cool, put it in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Peace.